Okay guys, this video is going to be on this newest acquisition I got Saturday. This is a 1940 General Electric made by Revere for General Electric. General Electric didn't make their own Westminster chime clocks, just to clear that up. This is a model Serenade, model 402. And it's only 7 inches wide. It's a small little thing, but don't let that fool you. The chime is very nice for the size, and I will show you that in this video. And I'll explain some of the problems too. The major one it had was the highest note of the Westminster chime. The chime rod was cracked, so it didn't sound right. So what I had to do is tune a set I had to match the tuning that this had, which is somewhat high pitched considering it's a small clock. And I will show you what the chime sounds like. Let me reach around here, make sure I turn that the right way. And I'll do all 4 quarters. And now I will flip the clock around and show you how the chime mechanism works, as I know people like to see that too. Alright. And this makes a whole revolution no matter what time it is, even if it's 1 o'clock. And that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching, and like, share, and subscribe if you like. Catch you later. Bye-bye.